Welcome to my channel, guys. In this video I will tell you how to fix Deliveroo app not working. So please watch the full video. Let's get started. First of all, long press on Deliveroo app. Now tap on app info. Now tap on storage usage, and now clear the cache and as well as clear data, and then tap on OK. Now close the setting app and go to our app store if you are using iOS. Then tap on search option in the bottom right corner, or tap on search bar on the top and type Deliveroo, and now search it. So here you can see open option, so I have already updated it. You will see update button option here, so simply tap on that to update this app to the latest version. This will fix the issue for you. Thanks.